Ladies and gentlemen around the world, universe, I would like to present an evidence how incompetent a Filipino programmer, and you never trust a Filipino. Right? Okay, here we go. Namprel. Okay? To this date, May 12, 10:32 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, that's 10 a.m. May 13 in the Philippines. Here we go. You see that? You see that? May 13, 8 p.m. Come on. I mean, which part of the earth that is already 8 p.m.? Which part? Which part in the world? You see? See what I mean? And you can see a lot. When you see a website that there's a lot of error that's made by Filipino, a very incompetent programmer, because you know the boss does not know anything. Does not know anything. But if you see a Filipino worker that's working with a white man, they have a beautiful job. Why? Because the white man know how to do the job. Alright? You can visit this site, namprel.org, and see for yourself